Hi lovers fashion, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, I am Anaya Ali and today we are diving into some super cool and trendy outfits that you are going to love. So first up, let's talk about bodycon dresses. And these dresses are fitted are really show off your shapes. They comes in lots of colors and patterns and they are perfect for parties for special events. Look at this one, is not it awesome? The bright colors and fun design make it super eye catching. And guess what? You can pair it with some cool accessories to make it even more fabulous. Now let's move on the party outfits. Whether you are going to a birthday bash or a family celebration, you want to look your best. I have got some fantastic outfits to show you. Check out this sparkly dress. It's perfect for dancing the night away, or maybe you prefer sometimes some things with a bit for more colors. This dress has all the fun you need. If you are enjoying these outfits and want to see more cool stuff, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It helps us a lot and lets us know you want more fashion tips. Next up, let's check out some casual party outfits. These are perfect for when you want to look great but stay comfy. Here are cute option that's both comfy and stylish. You can wear it to a chill gathering or just a fun day out. Let's head back to bodycon dresses for a moment. These are really popular right now and for good reason. They are perfect for making a statement, adding a statement necklace or some heels can totally change up the look. It's all about making the outfits your own. Are you having fun checking out these outfits? Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so more never miss out on the latest trends. And if you are loving these styles, give us a thumbs up and share this video with everyone you know. Alright, let's switch things up and look at some outfit perfect for different season. From summer vibes to cozy winter looks, there are always 20 options for every season. Finally, let's have some fun with creative outfits. These are perfect for making a unique fashion statement. Is not it fun to mix things up and wear something totally different? Express yourself with these unique styles and if you're enjoying this video and want to see more creative fashion ideas, whether you are looking for something special for a party or just want to update your wardrobe, we have got it all. Stick around because you are going to see the latest bodycon dresses, fabulous party outfits, and so much more. Ready, let's go. Alright, let's start with bodycon dresses. These dresses are super popular right now. They fit close to your body and show off your shape. You can find them in so many styles from classic black to bright neon colors. Check out this classic black bodycon dresses. It's a staple because you can dress it up or down, pair it with some heels for a night out or with sneakers for a casual look. And look at this colorful one. It's perfect if you want to make or a blood statement. The patterns and colors make it so much fun to wear. Imagine walking into a party with this one, all eyes on you. Do not forget, and some accessories, a nice necklace or a cool belt can really change up the look. It's all about making the dress fit your style. And next up, let's talk about party outfits. Whether you are heading to a birthday party, a family gathering, or just a fun night out, you want to look amazing and feel comfortable. Look at this sparkly dress, it's perfect for dancing and having a great time. This sequence add a lot of fun and the cut is super flattering. Or maybe you are into something a bit more relaxed. This cute jumpsuit is perfect for a casual party. It's easy to wear and still look fantastic. Remember, it's all about feeling good in what you wear. Choose something and that makes you smile and enjoy the party. Bodycon dresses very beautiful, very attractive dresses, and enjoy the try to bodycon dresses parties, anniversaries, and dates. Let's switch gears and check out some casual party outfits. These are great for even you want to look stylish but keep it laid back. This outfit is perfect for relaxed get together. The comfy top and stylish pants are a great combo for hanging out with friends. And how about this fun skirts and top combo? It's comfy but still looks super cute. Perfect for a casual party or even a weekend outing. If you are loving these outfits and want to see more cool fashion ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support help us keep bringing you the latest and best fashion tips. Now let's look at some outfits that are perfect for different seasons, whether it's summer, fall, winter, or spring. There's always a trendy option to keep you looking stylish. For summer, check out this breezy dress. It's perfect for staying cool and looking fabulous. Pair it with some cute sandals and you are ready to go. In the fall, you can rock this cozy sweater dress. It warms and stylish. Just add some boots and you will all set. And for winter, this warm coat and scarf combo is perfect for staying snacks while still looking great. You do not have to sacrifice styles for warmth. Spring is all about fresh colors and fun patterns. This floral dress is perfect for the season. It's light and bright just like the weathers. Finally, let's have some fun, the creative and unique outfits. These are perfect for a fashion statement and showing off your personality. If you found this question answer helpful, Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips. And if you are like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support really help us out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found some great outfits, inspiration, and had fun seeing all the trendy looks. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun. If you have any favorite outfits or styling tips, leave a comment below. I do not love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.